Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about a traffic exchange site of which I already have a video called ActualHits4U, but since there have been a couple of updates, I wanted to record another video to talk about these updates. Before we do that, though, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit that like button to support this channel. I'd appreciate that. Now let me just log in to my ActualHits4U account, and hopefully this won't be a very long video. Of course, there is a one-time offer. So the updates that I wanted to talk about are a couple, and I'm gonna start right away with co-op advertising. So finally they they embedded the co-op advertising feature. For those of you who don't know what a co-op link is basically technically is a rotator link that has all the other users sites or websites that they are promoting on ActualHits4U, but it doesn't have yours because you promote this link, which rotates other users websites, and when they promote their co-op link, it will have your website as well. So you promote let's say that you promote other users website on whatever traffic exchange site you use or whatever advertising platform you use, and they, when use this link to advertise and to promote it, your site will be included in the rotator of this link. I hope that makes sense. And this is a good feature because when other users advertise their co-op link, they might do it in sites that you don't even know about it, but might be great sites with quality traffic, okay? And the same goes for me as well. I will copy this link and promote it in everywhere I can, and in the meantime, besides the fact that you promote other websites, you also earn credits. All right, and what you have to do is enter your site here. So let me just choose leadsleep.com. Okay, and here is an option: add to ActualHits4U traffic exchange to. Yes, why not? Edit. I didn't put a name, but it doesn't matter that much. All right, so now you have to wait 10 seconds before before the admin would validate manually every site. Now apparently due to the update, now it's done automatically. Okay, so my site looks okay apparently, and there you go. You can add another one and another one depending on how many sites you want to promote. So again, you promote this link, and this is a rotator containing other users' websites. When they promote their co-op link, it will contain also your links that you put here. Alright? Obviously, you have to add credits, but I'm not gonna do that. It goes without saying. So this is one of the features that it was added actually, and this is the one that I like. Alright? And another one, I'm not gonna get through everything, but the other one that I didn't like that I noticed was on the upgrade page. Apparently they have removed the option to upgrade with your commissions. Alright, so if you already watched my first video, you will notice that the upgrade in the upgrade page also it had another option here that said pay with commissions. Alright, and I noticed it because I already have $60, $61, and I thought I'd upgrade, use this money to upgrade, a yearly upgrade for $49.99, which I strongly recommend, but as you can see I couldn't. Sorry. So as you can see, I couldn't. However, it's not the end of the world, you know. And by the way, since I mentioned the commissions, I've already requested a commission, and as a free member, sorry, as it says here, I already explained it, but let's just go through it right away. So as a free member, the minimum amount is $50 to withdraw, and they pay you via PayPal, but not directly, meaning that you have to send a support ticket indicating also your username or ActualHits4U ID, which you can find on your referral link, are the last numbers on your referral link. Okay, and I requested the payout and I got a reply as well. They said that I will be in the next batch, meaning that whenever is the next batch that they release their payments, I will get, or at least I think that I will get, it's my first time ever requesting a payout. So we'll see when and if I get it. But I didn't quite get it, and I regretted that I didn't send another email to ask more questions, because I already asked after the 5th of the month, but before the 15th. So within this range I asked the payout. Probably it will be the next month, this date again. Anyways, it doesn't matter. So this was it for today's video. This is what I wanted to show you guys about this site. The new feature, the co-op advertising link, the fact that they have removed now the option to upgrade using your commissions that you have here. And also I requested a payout. So basically in the next video, short video, I will record briefly if I get and how long it took to get my money and the commissions, the fees, whatever, the whole procedure, the whole steps. Okay, so make sure to stay tuned, guys. And by the way, if you want to join this site, which provides quality traffic, I already have a video. You will find the necessary link in the description of this one. So you will find the link for my first video, you can check it out, and you will find also my referral link, and of course it's free to join. Okay, in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I thank you very much for watching, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.